Alright, my peeps. So yesterday I went ahead and I sand the beams, the posts, and I believe I went to two um, sanding paper sheets. Yeah, this one pretty much I maximized it. Um, I did not bother sanding what I'm gonna paint that's gonna go on the bottom, but this I'm gonna put some crazy layers of paint so it could last long. And then from this mark, from the 30-inch mark, I'm gonna do the regular stain. Okay, so Aiden, can you? I'm recording. Come on, Aiden, because I can hear you in the background. Sorry, dude. All right, so I'm gonna give it another sand. I'm just gonna, play it really safe because I want this everything that I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna do 4 different applications, because I want this things to last for years, like literally. So I'm gonna just tell you what I did, and let's just bring this piece of wood. And I did this at night, right here. I know I should have put tape and divided it, but it's 3 different. Um, okay, so this is what I'm working with. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do first, based on the research and based on the material that I literally scavenged that I found around the house, and I'll show you where I'm looking, and you know, so. And a lot of these things are old. They're just like rusted and just sitting there for years. From what I know, since I've been living here, I'm like, man, nobody has touched it. Nobody has put them to use. So I'm like, something, I need them now. I'm not gonna go buy it. It's here. Just put it to use. So all of these things, I just look around the house. Because of my sisters, my brother-in-laws, and okay, okay. Let me just tell you. Let me lay this out real quick. So I did 4 different wood stains or wood finish. And this is just to add a color, tone to it. But it's not to protect. It's not to seal. Okay? And I did the markings. I kind of like wrote down what it is. And this is the different tones. I know, it's not smart the way I did it. But so I'm going to go with the red mahogany. Okay? For the 2x8 posts, and then if it's still some left over, I'm gonna do the posts, and if there's still some left over, I'm gonna do the 2x8s, and so I'm gonna work with these 2 colors, the red mahogany and the high oak gloss. Yeah, because I'm gonna put the 2x8s and 2x6, and I gotta stain and do all those. Okay, and then as far as like the finishing, like the gloss, there's 3 of them, um, and I don't know if you guys can see them. This is 1, 2, 3. So this is like a little bit of gloss, medium gloss, and then high gloss. So I'm thinking of going with high gloss. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah, there's just different glosses. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. After I sand everything real good until I'm satisfied, um, to clean everything, to prep, I'm gonna use Clean Strip Odorless Mineral Spirits. And and just get a old rag, shirt, anything, any type of fabric, just, and then just clean everything, get rid of all the dust. And what that also does, it exposes everything, and it's kind of gonna tell you how it's gonna look if you were to stain it. And what this also does, um, it kind of preps the wood, like the wood fibers, you know. So that's the first step, is cleaning the sawdust, and you know, making sure that I prep the surface before I do anything, and it's cleaning it. And then what I also find, which I'm lucky, I have everything. I have the pre-stain, the wood conditioner. So I'm gonna add the wood conditioner, you know, because if you don't add the conditioner and you add the stain, you get blotches. You get different tones, darker. It's not even. So to prevent that and to have an even um, coating or layering or staining or whatever you're applying to your wood surface, it could be even. And that aesthetically, it looks, um, beautiful. Just, it's not all uneven and yeah, it just doesn't look good. So that's step number 2. And then step number 3, add your stain, your wood finish, your color. And that's just to, like I said, uh, change the characteristics of the wood, and it makes it stand out more. So that's step number 3, and then number 4, which is the final one, is polyurethane. Outdoors, oil-based, UV protection, and UV and weather resistance. Yeah, so it's satin. So I got everything. So that's what I'm gonna use. 4 simple steps, and hopefully it looks super badass. And yeah. All right, my peeps. This is clear. Yeah. So I'm gonna use these. All right. And for other projects, I'm gonna use this, the wipe on finish, the tongue oil. Mine as well. Yeah. So, and then I have my brush cleaner. So I'm gonna prep my brushes. Trash day, man. Sorry about the noise, the trash truck. Yeah, those things are loud and annoying. Literally, like, why can't they make them a little bit more silent? Damn, freaking exaggerating now. Everything, the brakes, the engine, the mechanics, everything. All right, my peeps. So that's what I'm gonna do. 4 simple steps: clean, condition, stain it, add the color, protect it, seal it with but this is spar urethane, but it's even better. Like the Marines one, it lasts longer. All right, peace, love, and help. Recycle. Put things to use and do something productive. Use your imaginations, use your hands, develop your craftsmanship skills, and do something productive. Yeah, be a producer, not a consumer. All right. Instead of going buying all this stuff, just make it yourself, produce it. But yeah, I can just go get a couple hundred, couple thousand, and just get everything, and buy the whole pergola / gazebo thingy that I'm building. But nah, I can do it myself. Custom made, custom built. All right, laters.